In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a return shipping label on FedEx. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in FedEx return shipping label. Then you want to go to this side over here where it says how do I create a return shipping label. And from here, it's going to give you all the options you can take. So there's going to be a few of them over here. As you can see, currently there's 3. So you can either do it online. You could go and create a label and get a QR code using the FedEx mobile app. So in case you're doing that, you can click on here, it's going to direct you, or you could go to one of the FedEx offices or other participating retail locations and let them do it for you, okay? So it's up to you, but I think the most convenient way and the easiest one is to create one online. So we can just click on over here and it's going to take you to, of course, their ship from form over here. So it's the FedEx ship manager, and this is where you can basically get started and do that. Okay, so you'll have to essentially basically ship from and then put in your details and then your address, stuff like that. Then over here you have to select where you want to deliver, the package details, service options, pick up and drop off, and then notifications as well. Okay, so that's how to create a return shipping label on FedEx, and basically you just have to fill that out and you're good. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.